how to pick recovery stocks that gets you great investment returns. Recap for part 1, where I give you a list of recovery stocks in Bursa Malaysia, KLSE to KIV, keep in view. And in these 3 stock sectors, namely banking or finance, consumer staples, and consumer discretionary. Have not seen part 1? You are missing out. Link below or in the upper right. Watch it first and then come back to this. Why is it so important for you to learn about recovery stocks in any economic cycles? Our goal is to sell this newly launched LV bags for 5,000. Economy is recovering, people is going to have more disposable income. Who yo? Are our target buyer rich people? Of course not. Don't be silly. Our target buyers are the aspiring middle class. Best if they have low financial literacy. Does not make sense, but you are the boss though. But why? You need to understand the sentiment and the mentality of the middle class. Or, still don't get it. Middle class want to feel and look rich. So buying status symbol like this bag that cost them their entire monthly salary is going to make them feel rich. Wow! Great strategy. But they can't afford it, right? It's going to cost them 1 to 3 months of their salary. Oh, come on, that's easy. You give them one of these and then you make it easy for them to pay in 12 or to 36 months of installment. Give them the illusion that they are paying less. Evil, but genius. Thank you. Terima kasih. 谢谢, 多谢, 感谢, nandri to all of you middle class for buying all these LV luxury goods and all whatever shit. And that makes me richer and richer while I sleep. Thank you very much. Ampun, tuanku ada rasa terhibur, entertain tak? Kalau ya, bagilah satu like sama patik. Okay ya, jangan pancung kepala patik ah. The next sector that benefit from subsequent spillover effect of a recovering consumer sentiment or economy is the retail REIT sector. You see, shopping or retail mall don't only collect a fixed rental income from their business tenants, unlike your residential property, because there's this thing called turnover rent according to this formula. In short, the better the business of an outlet inside a shopping mall, the more manager earns, or in the case of a shopping mall managed by a REIT manager, the REIT manager actually gets higher rental income and profit. I have a fast-track lesson on the entire REIT sector in Malaysia. Here, you see where my eyes are moving? Click on the upper right or below if you're on a mobile, right? After you're done with this video. Speaking of retail consumer shopping, there's a bonus tip for you. Also pay attention to the retail online platform like Shopee or Lazada in Malaysia that thrives with this booming e-commerce trend.
But I am a baby in stock investing. Where to buy Shopee or Lazada stocks? Wow.
Well, example, you need to find out the company behind, say, Shopee. In this case, is CSEA, a global consumer internet company from Singapore, but is listed in New York Stock Exchange.
I don't know how to direct buy US stocks from Malaysia. How?
One cost-efficient way you can invest into all these US-based stocks is to use a commission-free brokerage like Webull, which rewards you with a free stocks when you open an account and deposit $100. I'll only recommend this if you are not a Malaysian. Link in the description below. The next level of spillover effect when economy recovers is these 2 sectors. When people move to a bigger ticket purchases like cars, which means stocks like Bermas Auto, DRB Highcom, Cycle and Carriage Bintang Tanjong Motor Holdings may see uptick in their revenue, profit, earning per share, which in turn could pump the stock's price up. As long as there are people who treat car as a status symbol, this logic will hold true. And even bigger ticket purchases like real estate property. So property developer stocks like SP Setia, Masing, EcoWorld, Matrix Concepts, IOI Properties, Ivory Properties may also recover after sales slump during an economic recession. And for a full list of property developer stocks in Malaysia, refer to the description section below. After all, The jobless will get back their jobs. Think of the pilots and cabin crew post-pandemic, right? And the one who suffer pay cut may have their pay cut restored. And people whose income are not affected during an economic crisis now may even earn more. Ancillary services that tap on how well the property market is doing may also see its stock price recover. The likes of a kitchen maker like Signature International, or even a wooden picture frame maker like Classic Scenic, or even electrical appliances maker like Milux, Kin Holdings, Fiamma Holdings.
What? Niama Holdings?
No lah, the company behind Alba and Faber brands at your home lah. Ayo, mispronounce only lah ma. Why your reaksi besar sangat?
Why so serious?
Similarly, furniture maker the likes of Lihan and Homritz or Pohat may also surge to the moon due to more people are going back to work, having more work, more people are being employed, so you also need more furniture in office ma. But when it comes to real estate property sector, especially residential property, well, in Malaysia it has its own set of problem, and that is called the affordability issue on top of the overhang or oversupply problem. Not to mention this generation shift. Listen to what this property guru or mogul is saying in the US.
You're ever selling a house? Sell it now. Now, as fast as you can sell it. You got 78 million baby boomers that are going to get old and die. They're not going to buy another house. People responsible for the housing industry are going to die in the next 30 years. They're going to be dumping houses. You're going to have 20 million homes on the market with nobody to buy those. Their kids are going to be like, sell it. If you died right now, what would they do with the house?
Yeah, sell it.
They'd sell it. And they wouldn't care what they got for it. They'd be like, sell it as fast as you can. I want my money. Expand that out 20 million times. You got a massive housing issue in reverse. Too many houses. Nobody wants it. Because the kids that are coming up today, they don't want to buy a house. They want mobility. They're smarter than their parents. I would sell the house. I'd go rent some other place, grab my dough, and I'd take the money and I'd invest in something that pays you every month that you don't have to manage.
On a macroeconomic scale, more money flowing into the economy means more infrastructure projects, and that could bode well for construction stocks too, like Ahmad Zaki Resources, Crest Builder, Binapuri Holdings, Ecovest, Gamuda, Gabungan AQRS, Hohab Construction, Jax Resources, Muda Jaya, Ever Sendai Sunway Construction, WC Holdings. Full stocks list in the description below. As for which one is undervalued or overvalued per its stock price, you have to watch this previous video on how to spot and identify undervalued stocks. So you combine this recovery trend plus stocks are being undervalued plus some of them might be giving high dividends, you have your perfect combination of the stocks to invest in.
Hey, but Liu, some recovery stock you mentioned, the stock price, some of them don't go up one, no? Why?
There are many reasons when some companies are laggards in their industry or only have a small market share, end up becoming zombie companies, neither dead or alive. To make things worse, analysts may also stop coverage on these stocks like George Kent.
Ayo, then how lah? What to do? Lost money leh?
You want short-term pain or long-term pain? I ask you. Short-term pain is when you bite the bullet, cut loss, move on, and lesson learned. Or long-term pain when you continue to hold to these stocks that keep on dropping in price. You are so stubborn and then you go and dollar average down. Diamond hand some more. Your money, your choice. Now that I've covered recovery stocks in the banking sector, consumer sector, REIT sector, real estate property sector, construction sector, my question to you is, which stocks within this sector so far that you want to pick to maximize your return in a recovering economy? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for the next episode where I promise you I will explain to you how you are able to spot stocks that recover from isolated event faster than other retail investor.
And when you love my video so much and sincerely want to support me by joining CF Liu Channel Insider membership from as low as 10 ringgit per month.
For the time being, YouTube thinks these are the related videos that you want to watch.